Hello there, this is Mike, and I would like to show you around CribMD. So, to get to know our website, you head over to www.cribmd.com and you arrive at this beautiful looking homepage. At the front page, you see what we do at a glance. So, we are a digital health consultation platform. We offer telemedicine, doctor home visit, prescription delivery, and a host of others. So as you scroll down, you get to see the list of people we work with, and as well as the services or the type of care we offer. So as you still go down, you're going to see the mode of delivery of our products. We have doctor home visit, we have telemedicine, we have online pharmacy, and towards the end, you're going to see what our customers think about us, our investors, partners, and then the links to download our app. So to have a feel of what we offer, how or what our application does, you can head over to sign up, or in the case you already have an account, you can log into our application. So in my case, I have an existing account, so I just log in and it takes me direct to my patient dashboard. So as you look at the top, this is a patient dashboard, which means I registered as a patient during my sign up. And by the way, you can register as a patient or as a doctor or as an organization or a corporate organization. So because I registered as a patient, I'm taken to this dashboard. So here, the dashboard actually gives me an overview of what I have in my account. So I've had like 15 appointments in total, and I have one upcoming appointment, and I've not gotten any prescription so far. So in a case where I consult a doctor and there's a prescription, it's going to be recorded and it's going to appear here. So here shows that my subscription is active. It's a monthly subscription and I'm active on the platform. So right here, you can book a doctor, schedule a time, and so on and so forth, so that the doctor can come see you, either via telemedicine or doctor home visit. So up top towards the right, you see the profile name. This is my name here. Then if you click on the name, it's going to pop up and then takes you to my profile. So it gives you my basic information, um, name, about me, and so on and so forth. And then it tells you my medical history, and I could edit this by coming here and then change my picture, change my basic info, my contact, medical details, address, and a lot of them. So let's go back to the dashboard, and then just to give you an overview of what the interface looks like. This menu bar by the left shows you like a group of actions you can take. You can go to the dashboard for an overview, or you can see a list of your consultations or book a fresh consultation. You can make an urgent request, which is still a type of consultation but has a tie of urgency to it. Maybe you have an emergency situation and you want to book an urgent request. And you can also request for an ambulance and so on. And you can check your prescription or request a fresh prescription or a refill of your prescription. You can check your subscription or have a view of your reviews or reviews you've given to your doctors. And the last one is referrals. You can see the people you've referred to the platform. This is what we did in the beginning. We had people that actually liked our products. They refer other people and they join the platform as well. So I can collapse this bar and go straight to what I came to do as a patient, which is to see a doctor. Then I head over here at this button that says book a doctor. And they ask me whether it's an appointment. An appointment means I schedule a time and a date and then pick a doctor that I want to see. And then urgent request means I need a doctor right now, like right now. And when I make an urgent request, the platform is going to route me to the available doctor at the moment and the one closest to me if I'm going for a home visit, if I'm calling for a home visit. So for this, this is not an urgent situation. So I want to book an appointment, and I want to schedule a time and date for it. So I choose appointment, and then it takes me to a list of the doctors on the platform, and it's actually brings the top doctors first. But I can search by name if I have a preferred doctor, or I can search by specialization. Maybe I need a dermatologist or pediatrics or any sort of thing. And I can also filter by location if I want to find the doctor that's closest to me. Or if I'm a lady and I want a female doctor to come visit me, then I can choose from here. So when in this case, I don't want to use a filter. I want to choose based on the platform suggestion on the top doctors on the platform. I'll choose the very first doctor here. I can decide to view the doctor's profile, but since the platform selected them as the top doctors at the moment, so I'll just go ahead and book. And then here I choose the date, the time, and okay, I will have to choose the date first before I will see time available. So I will choose the appointment type, whether it's home visit or video call, and then I specify the name, the mode of the appointment, or the nature of the appointment. This is what I want the doctor to see first before he or she goes on a call with me, be it home visit or telemedicine. So I choose the type of care I want. Could be emergency care, urgent care, long-term care for elderly people, and so on and so forth. And when I'm done selecting all of this, I go ahead to book a doctor. So in this case, I'm going for a video call. So I am having a headache, and then I choose a type of care, primary care, and then I go ahead to book a doctor. So in this case, I do not want to trigger a doctor to call, so I'm not going to click this button. So, but this is what it looks like when you want to book a doctor. So having said this, let me expand this bar again and head over to this consultation. If I was successful in booking an appointment, then it's going to show up here. So, so because I booked an appointment before, which has been accepted, it pops up here and shows me that I have to take an action, which is view details, either join by video call or cancel appointments or mark it as completed, as the case may be. So here shows me a list of things, the appointments, list of things pertaining to my appointments. I have one upcoming appointments. I have zero pending appointments. Pending appointments are the ones you place successfully, but the doctor has not accepted. And I have six completed appointments, and then I have eight cancelled appointments. So if you remember when we were at the dashboard, it says I have 15 appointments in total. So if you add this up, that's like 15 appointments. One is upcoming, one six has been completed, eight cancelled. So the same for urgent request. I can book an ambulance as well, or I can check prescriptions. In this case, I don't have any prescription yet. So I can check my subscription. I'm on a basic plan of 3,000 and expires May 2023. So I can check my reviews. I've given these doctors good reviews in the past, so I can make referrals or view existing referrals. So I do not have a referral, so I don't see any. So in a case where I make referrals, they are going to appear here, and then if like we did at the beginning stage of the points of the application, we had people refer and earn, but we don't do that anymore. So that is it about the patient side. You can book appointments, that's the basic thing, and then I can view my prescriptions. So